Welcome to Fibocan's YouTube channel. You have done the right decision in your life by coming into Fibocan's YouTube channel. Who is Fibocan? Fibocan is a wealth enabler. How do we enable wealth? We enable wealth through training, coaching, mentoring, enabling students, investors to devise their own investment strategies through our comprehensive training programs and innovative investment strategies. So what do? We have published educational videos 1 to 16, module 1 to 16 in English and Tamil. The modules that start from basics of banking, capital market, investments, how to do investment, technical analysis, options, futures, then strategies of options and futures, and finally income tax on derivatives. To begin with, all these 16 modules are available both in English and Tamil. I would request you to go and select the appropriate playlist and watch all the videos and put your comments. So that is the step one. Every day we put videos about market commentaries. Please understand that we are not SEBI registered. Hence, we cannot give any recommendations. We will say whether it is looking good, technically sound, technically weak, has to be cautious. These kind of things we will give, but we will not give any price targets, or we will not give any stock recommendations. Only thing is that we are here to give technical education, imparting technical knowledge to anyone and everyone through our free educational videos, which we put every day on the daily markets, and during weekends we put about global markets. So I would request and encourage anyone in the age group of 17, 18, those who are studying in HSC, higher secondary or plus 2, to watch module 1 to 4, definitely either in English or Tamil, whichever language you understand out of these two languages. And anybody who is doing BA, BCom should watch up to module 8. And those who are doing MBA, CA, CFA or any professional or postgraduates should watch up to module 15. And for professional traders, it is ideally suited for them to watch module 16. I am sure that you will enjoy watching and enhancing your knowledge. Thank you very much. Today is January 18, 2024, Thursday. Option expiry for Nifty. First the levels, then we go into the discussion and the power of technical analysis. Nifty, it closed 324.05, 1% down. BankNifty 47,513.55, 0.76% down. Nifty 0.5% down at 21,462.25. Before we go into the what type of candle it formed and all those things, let's see what we said yesterday. We had said very clearly yesterday, there is a massive fall that had happened in BankNifty, FinNifty and also Nifty, and we had clearly told that the Bollinger lower band on the daily chart, that will act as a support. It's not going to be that easy for Nifty to break it down, and the type of candle it formed yesterday, we were confident that today it will not break the lower band today unless otherwise it opens gap down below that. That's the only caveat that we had said, right? It didn't open below that, hence it has not broken. And on the upper side, it's very easy. We had said that 22,084 in the daily upper band we had said. That is what we had said. So where Nifty closed 21,462.25. Today's low is 21,285 point something. So hence it went close to the Bollinger lower band. The lower band, of course, when we gave the level, it was 104 or something, 180. But actually today when it opened, the Bollinger lower band was at 237 levels. That is 21,237. It went close to that, but it never even touched there. It bounced and formed a spinning top. So you can see that is the power of technical analysis. Today also, every day I see Twitter. Twitter I go just for entertainment, because many traders put there, very difficult to trade, luck is not there, somebody should not believe in luck, I have closed my positions, he is smart and all those things. I am saying those who have taken open position, long position, day for day, are the most stupidest guys in the world, and they are not fit to be called themselves a professional traders. Let me make it very clear. Why? Because they have not learned technical analysis. Had they learned technical analysis, they would have known what position to keep open. Second, they don't know risk management. If they know risk management, they should have kept any open position with a covered position. So if that is not done, that means they don't know how to trade. Blindly they were trading. All these days they were lucky. That's all. Anyway, I don't want to go on to comment about other traders, but Coming to that, yesterday, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty closed below the Bollinger lower band. Today, it yet again opened significantly below that Bollinger lower band. Of course, the band is going down. It opened further below yesterday's close and it went significantly down. And finally, it formed a kind of an inverted hammer candle, both Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty, on the other hand, as I said, it had a slightly long lower leg and it formed a spinning top type candle. So Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty, I would call a perfect reversal. Of course, as I have told many times, the first reversal has to be ignored. So just don't blindly go and say that no, a reversal has happened, I'll go and buy. Probably yes, tomorrow one day, yes, there can be some short covering because it is a first reversal. If it opens particularly gap up and if it goes up, gap up means obviously it will go up and it will be a typical morning star type candle it will form. So hence that possibility is there, but it is only for one day. One has to be extremely cautious. Of course, the week is also going to end tomorrow and now in the weekly also, Bank Nifty, Fin Nifty and also Nifty is below the exponential moving averages, but still above the Bollinger middle band. So hence they will try to go near the exponential moving average next week, which means next week there can be some short covering possible, which means there can be a slight up move that is happening in the next week, for which the seeds can be sown tomorrow itself, where we can have some pullback. That is how the structure and texture of the market is. So this is the power of technical analysis. Today yet again, HDFC Bank was leading the fall with it opened significantly below. And of course, one more thing I said yesterday also, Bank Nifty and Fin Nifty are below the 50-day moving average, simple moving average and 50-day exponential moving average. That's a very powerful one. Hence, no, it has to first go past it before making any meaningful up move. Hence, no, one has to be extremely careful and cautious. I would request amateur traders, 98% of the people are amateur traders, request them to be careful. Investors, don't worry, good stocks, buy, keep buying, hold it. Discuss with your financial advisor which stock to buy, which are the good stocks. But any good stocks, good franchisee, please keep buying and holding it, or go to mutual fund if you are an investor. So coming back to that, HDFC Bank led the fall. Of course, there is some support that for all the indices coming in from Fin Nifty, from other banking stocks like Federal Bank, IDFC Bank, Axis Bank and Yes Bank. Of course, Axis Bank is having some weight in Nifty and Fin Nifty and Bank Nifty, but others don't have that much weight. But others like ICICI Bank and all remain sideways, which itself is a good thing. So that is what had happened. Now let's go into the analysis part of it. On the banks, AU and HDFC Bank fell 3%. You can see that HDFC Bank falling. It's like what you call your main batsman is not able to score runs. They are getting out miserably. Obviously, the team will struggle. Hence, Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, and Nifty is struggling. IndusInd Bank fell 2%. Normally, IndusInd Bank is moves up strongly, but results are going to be announced. Hence, no, it is also having some profit booking ahead of the results. Financials, Bajaj Finance and Shriram Finance fell 1%. L&T Finance, Manappuram and Muthoot fell 2%. All others remained sideways. On the banking, Federal, Axis Bank, Yes Bank, as I mentioned, IDFC First Bank moved up by 1%. Nothing moved up in the financials. Insurance and cards, ICICI General and SBI Life 1% down. ICICI Pru 5% down post his results. So results are not good in this market because it is extremely overvalued. Our Indian markets, any company that is not meeting the analyst expectation or market expectation, it is in for severe punishment. That is what had happened in ICICI Pru Life. LIC continued its up move. Yesterday was one day down, but otherwise it is an uptrend. It continued its uptrend, moving up by 1%. Oil and telecom, both Bharti and Reliance remained sideways. That is why you didn't have Nifty moving up much. IT, it is a down day. HCL Tech 1% down. Apple, Birlasoft, Coforge, LTTS 2% down. Emphasis 4% down. LTI Mindtree had a massive fall of 10%. Again, due to result reactions. Intellect moved up by 1%. So overall, if you see, any company, these stocks are extremely overvalued. They are discounting at 50 times, 60 times, 70 times and all. It's what you call sky high valuation as market has given, with the firm hope and belief, confidence, more than hope, confidence that these stocks will keep outperforming year after year, quarter after quarter. If there is a failure to meet the expectations of investors, market will punish severely. That is what had happened. On the consumer goods, Britannia, HUL, DMart fell 1%. Asian Paints, Bata, Nestle, Pidilite, PVR, Titan 2% down. Berger 3% down. In the automobiles, Bajaj Auto, Eicher Motors, Maruti 1% down. And Ashok Leyland and Tata Motors 1% up. Metals, coal, Hindalco, JSW, NMDC 1% down. National Aluminium 2% down. Vedanta 1% up. Health and Pharma, Divis and Thyrocare 1% down. Apollo Hospitals 1% up. Cipla 2% up. Sun Pharma 3% up. In the others category, Adani Ports, Delta Corp, Eris, IRCTC, Polycab, Jubilant Food, sorry, not Polycab, Jubilant Food, Nykaa, UPL 1% down. Adani Enterprise and Havells 2% down. Polycab remained flat. Of course, after such a big fall, the last 4 or 5 days it is going up. Once again, I am reiterating, just be cautious. Wait for the event to settle down. Let things clarify. Income tax department tell what it did, what was the findings. Then let Polycab give you a response. Then the case be closed. Then you will always have another day where like things settle down. You can easily go for it. Like you have to wait patiently. That is what it is. Anyway, there is no levels to be given because FinNifty today is the second day. Third day. BankNifty today, FinNifty tomorrow. Today is the second day for FinNifty and BankNifty is the first day. Nifty has closed just now. So we'll be giving our positions on Monday after closure. Tomorrow we'll cover generally how it is, and as always over the weekends we will put our global markets. Sometime by the end of this month or when a holiday is coming, we will put stocks to monitor for 2024. Both stocks that look technically good for 2024 and technically looking weak for 2024. Thank you very much.